Good morning, everyone. So, dear kids, nowadays we are talking about our school, my school. So, today we will be talking about our classroom. What things we can see in the classroom, or what things we use in our classroom. So, classroom is a very important place for the students as well for the teachers. So, dear kids, we study in our classroom. We study in our classroom. We read in classroom. We write in classroom. Am I right? Yes, and we do so many activities in our classroom. So children, in the classroom, we study together. You can see so many students in the class. We can see teacher in the class, duster, pen, and books, and so many other items like bench, table, chair, duster, chalk, books. So many items we can see in the classroom. So before we go ahead, we will revise our rhyme. So my dear kids, stand up all of you. Take long breath. Very good. Now are you feeling better? Good job. So children, drop your things. Okay, we will start our rhyme.
My school. Every day in hot and cool, I daily go to my school. Every day in hot and cool, I daily go to my school. I study the whole day. In between, I also play. I will study much as I can, and I will be a very big man. Every day in hot and cool, I daily go to my school. Every day in hot and cool, I daily go to my school. I study the whole day. In between, I also play. I will study much as I can, and I will be a very big man.
So lovely kids, one more time.
Every day in hot and cool, I daily go to my school. Every day in hot and cool, I daily go to my school. I study the whole day. In between, I also play. I will study much as I can, and I will be a very big man. Every day in hot and cool, I daily go to my school. Every day in hot and cool, I daily go to my school. I study the whole day. In between, I also play. I will study much as I can, and I will be a very big man.
So dear kids, I will show you some pictures, and you can see what things the teacher use. The teacher uses duster and chalk, duster, chalks, books, and what things the students use. So lovely kids, Let's see.
Now kids, this is a door. You can see this is a door. You open it and enter the classroom. This is a window. You can see children. Can you see? Yes. This is a window and these are windows. You can see here more than one windows. So these are windows. And children, this is a roof. What is this? Roof. This is a tube light. Tube light gives us light. Okay? And this is a fan which we use in summer season. Okay. And do you know children, what is the use of blackboard? Very good. Teachers write on the blackboard. Teachers जो हैं लिखती हैं with the help of. So kids, you can see what is this? Yes, very good. This is a blackboard. This is a blackboard. With the help of the duster and chalks. Okay, my dear kids. Now, what is this? Yes, this is a table. This is a teacher's table. Okay? So lovely kids, you can see here, these are tables and these are chairs. So lovely kids, you know, you sit here and study. Can you see children? This is a classroom. Okay. So dear lovely kids, you can see this is a display board. What is this? This is a display board. Do you know children? Ma'am put some pictures for you according to the topic. And these pictures are very, very attractive. Do you like this display board? Yes, very good. And lovely kids, you can see here this is a cupboard. Teacher's cupboard. Okay. And my dear lovely kids, this is your bag and this is a table. You can see children, this is a table where you sit and study. And these are the stools, or we can say chairs also. And children, this is a table. This is a chair. This is a teacher's chair. Okay. So, my dear lovely kids, we are talking about my school and I am showing you the things which we use in the classroom. Okay, stuff of inside of the classroom.
So children, so many things we can see in your classroom like duster, chalk, pen and books, students, table, chairs. You know, my dear lovely kids, so many things. I already showed you. So lovely kids, so many things we can carry to our school also. So many of the things teachers use and many of. So lovely kids, after that what you have to do, you have to take out your World Around Me book. Open the page number 11. So here you can see once again my school. So now today we are talking about our classroom. So you can see here, she is a teacher. Blackboard. This is a desk or table. We can say with me, this is a table. She is a teacher. These are students like you, है ना? Okay. And wall, children, picture is there. And you can see children here tables, chairs, and desks and benches where you sit, where the students sit. Floor here, wall is here. And lovely kids, you carry your bags, है ना, to school na? Yes. So dear kids, you have to read or you have to do picture reading every day. Office, principal's office, teachers, students, my classroom. This is a blackboard. She's a teacher. This is a table. These are students, tables, chair. This is a building, playground, and the students are playing here. So I hope children you are taking interest. Okay, so after that you have to take out your EVS activity book A. Open the page number 10 and children you have to open page number 11 also. So first of all we will see this page. Match the objects that go together. Okay, so this is a bag with book. Okay children, in the bag we keep the book. And here this is a pencil. So dear kids, the pencil will match with the eraser. Okay, blackboard with duster. This table with chair and dustbin with garbage. Okay, and after that children we have to complete this page also, page number 11. It's very easy. Color the circle blue below the things you see in your classroom. So what we have to do, we have to color blue below the things you see in the classroom. Okay, so iron belongs to house children. Okay, so these dusters we can see in our classroom because teacher uses this duster. Table we can see in our classroom. This dog can we see in the classroom? No. This blackboard we can see in our classroom because the teacher uses this blackboard. She writes on the blackboard. This is a mixer jar. Can we use in our classroom? Can we see in the classroom? No, leave it. And this is a dustbin. Yes, we throw all garbage in our dustbin. So, we have to color this dustbin also. We have to color this circle. So, lovely kids, you have to complete this page and keep learning. Enjoy. And my dear lovely kids, we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.